Good morning students. Today we are going to start EVS chapter 17, How We Travel. Kids at go. In this chapter we will learn about different types of vehicles and how we can travel. We go from one place to another for different reasons. Some places are so close that we can walk there. Some places are so far that we need a vehicle to reach there. There are many kinds of vehicles. Some vehicles are used to transport people, other to carry goods, and some other to carry both people and goods. Okay. The story of transport. A long time ago, there were no vehicle. People used to walk long distance. It took them many hours, days and even months to go from one place to another. They tied logs of wood together to make raft to travel on water. Later people began using animals to travel and carry goods. Then the wheels was invented and carts were made. These carts were pulled by horses, mules and ponies. Even now horse, cart and bullock carts are used to carry people and goods in villages. Then came the bicycle, cars and trains came much later. Aeroplanes, helicopters and rockets followed soon after. A rocket is used to travel into space. Now, means of transport. The means of transport that we use depends upon the place we live in. In cities, people use local train, metro trains, buses, taxis, car, bikes and auto rickshaws to go from one place to another. Okay. In villages, people travel by bullock carts and tangas. In desert, people use camels to go from one place to another. Horses, ponies, mules and yaks carry goods over mountains and hills areas. Okay. Elephants are used in forests to carry heavy logs. Okay. Now see, this is a bus, an aeroplane, a boat. There are three ways of traveling: by land, air and water. Now see this road transport. Now first we will learn about land transport. Land transport is of two kinds, road and rail. We prefer vehicles such as bicycle, cars, scooter, buses and auto rickshaws. When we travel short distance or within a city, when we go to the distant places, we prefer to travel by train. Okay. In big cities, people travel long distance every day. Cities cannot function effectively if they do not have a good public transport system. The local train in Mumbai and Chennai are the lifeline of many people. Cities such as Kolkata, New Delhi, Bengaluru, Chennai, Mumbai, Kochi, Jaipur and Hyderabad have metro rail system too. The air-conditioned metro takes thousands of people from one end of the city to another. It is fastest and comfortable means of transport. Now next, water transport. Water transport is the oldest mode of transport. It is also the slowest mode of transport. Ship takes us across big seas and oceans. A kind of ship known as a passenger liner can carry thousands of people. Boats take us across rivers and lakes. Submarines can move both on the surface of water and underwater. You know submarine? Submarine can move both on the surface of water and underwater. They are used by explorers to study the ocean as warships by different countries. Cargo ships carry goods in a huge container. A place where a ship stops for passengers to get on and off and for goods to be loaded and unloaded is called port. Okay, now listen again. A place where a ship stops for passengers to get on and off and for goods to be loaded and unloaded is called a port. Okay. Now see, this is the boat, cargo ships and passenger liner. Now air transport, helicopter, air transport. Air transport is the fastest mode of travel. An aeroplane can fly around the world in very short time. It can carry hundreds of people. A place where an aeroplane take off and land is called airport. A helicopter can carry only few people at a time. It is helpful in areas that are difficult to reach, such as jungles and high mountains. The army uses helicopter to airlift injured soldiers to the nearest hospital. Helicopters are also used to distribute food packets and other material to the people in areas affected by earthquake or flood. Air travel has become very popular nowadays. It has become less costly than before. Many people prefer to travel by air as it saves time. Now see, this is a railway station, a train ticket, a journey by train. Shreya and her parents just made a trip to Kolkata. Here is how she described the journey to her grandmother. We took a taxi to the railway station. At the station, a porter helped us to carry our luggage. There were a lot of people on the platform. There were passengers, porters and vendors everywhere. There were stalls selling tea, food items and books. The porter put our luggage in the train. Soon we settled down. From my window seat, I saw the guard in the last coach waving a green flag. The guard blew a whistle and the train chugged forward. Soon a ticket collector came to check our tickets. After some time, some people came to sell tea and snacks. The train then stopped at a station. Some people got down to have tea. The train moved on again. I saw people and vehicles behind a closed iron gate waiting for the train to pass. Mother told me that it was a level crossing. Then we had dinner. After some time, we went off to sleep. This morning we reached Kolkata. The journey was great fun. Now see this. We have learned about in this कि Shreya and her parents have just made a trip to Kolkata in a train. You also have a travel in a train like Shreya? I think so. All traveled, na? The earliest models of cars ran on the steam. They had huge boilers where water was constantly boiling and changing into steam, which ran the engine. Now see, this is the engine. Today you will read this chapter, okay? And we have learned today about different types of vehicles. मुझे नहीं पता गड़बड़ हो गई है.